ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸುರ್ಜಿವಾಲಾರವರು ಅನೇಕ ವಿಚಾರನ ಬೆಳಕು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಬಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. One thing I would like to ask the Honorable Chief Minister's son. It is on a very public domain that what all has been transferred, and we are going to give you the few copies and some of the clippings of what has been discussed in various discussions. One main question, the first question is it correct that the Chief Minister's son Vijayendra was in the knowledge of 12 crore bribe having been taken by the Commissioner of the BDA from the contractor aligned in the name of the Chief Minister? Because in the discussion what we see, the Honorable Chief Minister's son admit that his father's name, the Chief Minister's name was being misused and the money has been collected. Why was an FIR of corruption under the Prevention of Corruption Act, extortion and bribery by the misuse of the official position, then not registered against the concerned official or the Mr. Contractor? Why was CM's son, Mr. Vijayendra, merely asking for the transfer of the BDA commissioner instead of filing a complaint of corruption under the offence of the Indian Penal Code? Why was CM's son Vijayendra asking the contractor recover the money from the BDA contractor commissioner instead of lodging a FIR against the commissioner and the contractor? Why did the Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa not proceed to cancel the contract and order the registration of the FIR allegation of the bribery had clearly been disclosed? Because all this was in the public domain. Therefore, why was again the contractor supposedly paying the cash money to Shishidhar Mardi, grandson of CM, as disclosed by the WhatsApp conversation? This is also in the public domain and which will be distributed. Do the allied WhatsApp conversation dated 14/10, 19, 19/10, 21/10, 25/10, the details are here regarding the delivery of cash by a contractor to Shishidhar Mardi, grandson, which has been already been disclosed. Does the WhatsApp conversation dated 25/6/20 and 16/7/20 between the contractor and the Shishidhar Mardi, grandson of CM, regarding the transfer of 7.4 crores in the account of Shishidhar not disclosed allied payment of bribe? I don't know why the money has gone in the form of RTGS. Is it a dubious role of Manju, Umesh, Sanjay, whose mobile numbers also have been disclosed in WhatsApp conversation? A transfer of bribe clearly made out. Why the allied working the residences, even the offices of the Chief Minister, and every numbers have been disclosed? Should the role of CM in son-in-law, Virupakshappa Mardi, father of Shishidhar, in the entire bribery saga has been probed by the residential address which was given the contractor to allied WhatsApp conversation on 5/5/20. Was any bribe amount delivered to him or to someone else at the behest of the residence? Because the WhatsApp says that the money has to be delivered in such a address which has been given. Is it clear from the allied WhatsApp conversations of the CM grandson, Shishidhar Mardi, on CM son, Vijayendra was acting on the contract in which each other, if they correct, why both not complete knowledge of the payment is being received by the contractor? Does the allied WhatsApp conversation dated all this that Shishidhar Mardi, the grandson, not being nexus to the release of the payment in lieu of money payment. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಎ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ shown, and it is also clear that 5 crore salary received from the contractor by Shishidhar Mardi, the grandson of CM, was recirculated to 7 shell companies, namely various companies, Shah Company Merchant, RMNC, Static Vikan, Jagadamba, all these companies were already been created, and where this Belgrade Limited, where Shishidhar Mardi is also a director of the company. Was that amount of 5 lakh transferred from Calcutta-based shell companies to Belgrade Company Limited in Bangalore between 13 and 22 during the COVID lockdown period, when all economics has come to an halt? Is it not correct that the amount of 5 crore was being transferred by Belgari to VSS Estates, which is correct? CM's grandson Shishidhar Mardi is the director of the VSS Estate Private. Is it correct that the amount of 5 crores has been circulated to VSS Works LLP? Is it not clear that such a money laundering and an offences under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, if all the allegation of the primacy correct as in the Chief Minister Sri Yediyurappa is responsibly compromised his position, distancing him from continuing as the Chief Minister of the state, even for a single minute, as our leaders have already said. The propriety and the probity in the public life demands a complete, throughout, independent investigation of the allegation of corruption against the Honorable Chief Minister and his family members. This is only possible by the way of time-bound and independent probe by a sitting Supreme Court judge or the Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka himself, aided the assistance through the SIT. Until then, I request the Honorable Chief Minister to step down. He can't continue for a stay. This is purely a very blatant, which has been come in the public domain, and my Honorable General Secretary will just take this forward.